Hello, I am Sue and I am 10 years old. I am going to show you some of my favorite photos. Let's go to see my photos. This is Piper. Piper is my beautiful dog. Piper is special because he's funny, kind, compliant and faithful. Piper likes chicken and balls. Piper loves basketball balls, plays with other dogs, and plays with sticks. Piper,
Its birthday?
his birthday is 27th of April, and it has 4 years old. My best friends are Irún Alonso and Ursula Berganza. They are so funny and hardworking like me. We are in the same class and we love going to the pool. We are 10 years old. My mom and dad. My mom is 47 years old and my dad is my mom is 46 years old and my dad 47 years old. They are with my dog. My mom likes vegetables and my dad likes chicken, like my dog. They have lots of friends. My mom is intolerant to the gluten and to the cow milk.
My dad?
My dad likes sleeping and my dad listening to music. My friend Leire. Leire is my friend. Leire is 11 years old. His birthday is
On the 6th?
on the 6th of February. She is kind, sporty and clever. She is my neighbor. Irune, my best friend too. They live near me. Leire and me playing video games together. This was all. I hope you liked my presentation. Thank you.